Recently, I had a little holiday in Tasmania, the South Island of Australia, where I lived for nearly 20 years. As I was walking there along the pristine beaches, I thought about how much life had changed since then, and how one painting I did of some rocks told the story of the transition from that island to the mainland. 8 years ago, I photographed a similar shoreline just before my family and I boarded a boat back to the mainland. The photo reference ended up turning into a painting which was called Come. It was water-covered rocks, just like this one. But look at what happens when the water flows over them. They change colour and become amazingly bright. I painted this painting as a quiet invitation to the next chapter in our life. But the challenge was, in Melbourne and on the mainland, I didn't really know many people where we had shifted to. So what I did was I went and painted into cafes and even into a shop window just to try and get myself out there so people could get to know me. And I ended up starting teaching just one person in their home just so that I could begin and get some custom and make it all happen. I even demonstrated in a local gallery. And slowly my classes began to grow. And now, instead of just one student, I have over 60. And back then, when I was painting that painting, I was actually demonstrating the painting in that gallery before I even knew that I was actually going to own that gallery one day. Crazy. So going back to Tasmania reminded me we don't really leave the places we love. We carry them into our stories, and we can help them live in our creativity. And for me, that was in my paintings. So I thought it'd be great for you to learn how to paint these rocks and to use these to tell your story about your own creativity and your own dreams. I'm running a 3-day workshop. All the details are below. It's on a Friday, Saturday and Sunday morning in Australia for 1 hour, and I'm gonna have a load of fun. You don't need to know how to paint with oils. I will teach you everything about tones and shapes. And the great thing about rocks, my friend, is that they are all different, just like you and me. And also, it's not like a face where you have to get it perfect. You can totally play around with the shapes. As long as we get the tones right, you can totally smash this out, even if you haven't painted before. So click the link below and you'll get all the resource. You'll get a gridded up image so that you can actually draw it up and all the colors and everything. And yes, you can use watercolor or acrylic if you really don't want to use oils, but I will be teaching oils. They are the most wonderful medium to use. Come along with me, we're going to have so much fun. Click the link below and I hope to see you there. If you've ever wanted to learn to paint, this is your moment, my friend. Come and join me.
That's going to be fun. Yeah.